guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Rosio. It's been a long time since I've updated you with my pregnancy, so if you would like to, just hang around, then go ahead and keep on watching. So today I am, holy shit, how many weeks am I? I'm 31 weeks and 5 days. So technically 32 because tomorrow I'm going to be 32 weeks. I came to my doctor's appointment today. I'm waiting outside Kaiser because I am a little bit early. I'm not that early, but I'm gonna wait like around 10 minutes because you're supposed to be here 15 minutes early, and I came half an hour early, but it's okay. I came off at work, so that's why I still have my, that's why I still have my scrubs. I've been feeling very, very tired, you guys. Everything hurts now. My lower back hurts. I have a lot of pelvic pain, and I have a lot of like stomach pressure. So I'm excited. Me and my husband are very excited. We can't wait to meet our baby. Name update, we are still going with Luna. We've been calling her Luna. Leilani, Brenda, everybody's been calling her Luna, so I think we'll stick with Luna. We're still not sure about the middle name, so I don't know if she'll have one name only or she'll have a middle name. Like my first daughter, she's Brenda Paola. Leilani is Leilani Rosie. So I don't know if we're keeping only one name for Luna, or I don't know. I want two names, but my husband only wants one name. So we shall see. I feel like we still need a lot of stuff for the baby. We haven't really gotten anything. She has somewhere to sleep. We got her stroller, her car seat, some clothes that was given to me by my friend Paige, so thank you, Paige. I think that's literally it. Oh, my mom bought me my diaper bag. So we still need everything else, like small stuff. But we'll buy them slowly, you know. I was going to have a baby shower, but I feel like parties right now are very exhausting to me. I had Leilani's birthday party on June, and the next day for cleanup, it was very tiring. Super tiring. It was super tiring to clean up afterwards. It was so much fun. I mean, it was worth it, but this time around we were going to have a baby shower, but we decided not to, just because we'll be spending like so much money on the baby shower, and we're like, well, we should just rather waste that money on stuff that we really need, than throw a party for someone else, you know. Whoever wants to gift us gifts will, you know, without me needing of like asking them or having to. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Oh my god, my pregnancy brain has been kicking in so much lately. I feel so slow, like literally. It's like if I'm talking out of my ass, but it's okay. But yeah, that's literally it. So I'm gonna go check in, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. You guys, I'm currently waiting for the doctor. The MA that I got that brought me back has no facial expressions. He's like, can you leave my hair on sample? Okay, the doctor will be with you shortly. I'm like, customer service. Hey you guys, so I just got out of the doctor. Everything so far is going good, thank God. I got my Tdap shot today, and I also got a work note regarding when I could start when I could stop working. I did get another order for an ultrasound just to measure the baby, because they were concerned that I wasn't gaining enough weight and that the baby would be small, but she's measuring fine, everything's fine. They just want to double check that in the next 2 to 3 weeks she keeps on growing. But yeah, I'm excited. It's almost here, but I'll keep you guys updated. Okay you guys, so I am finally home. I'm going to pick up my room because I haven't done my bed since the morning. Probably shower Leilani. But yeah, I was gonna say something and I totally forgot. You guys, I am thinking of whether I should vlog when I go into labor or not, just because I know it could get a little hectic. But if you guys would want to see a video about me going into labor, then give this video a thumbs up and comment down in the comments down below. But yeah, this is it for this video. Let's see if I could show my belly a little bit. I know some of you guys wanted to see my belly. My belly. Lonnie, say hi. Lonnie. Mama, say hi. Say bye. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye.